Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel here at Archery Country. This is Big Waite. As spring is in the air, warmer temps are coming. We're super excited to get out on the water, whether it be a river system or a lake. Bow fishing is the topic of the day. There's a couple items that you're going to need or something that you're going to want to look at. A lot of us don't use our hunting bows for the simple purpose is there's a lot of money that we don't want to get wrecked or get water on, banged around in the bottom of the boat or on the dock or wherever you may be. We have an awesome little bow set up from Muzzy. It's called the Vice, right or left-handed. Extremely durable. Also, it's going to be adjustable for your draw lengths. Anybody can shoot them, and also our poundages from that 20 to 45 range. So you can stick the big fish in deep water, or you can just get in your river system real shallow. It's going to have everything that you need. Again, it incorporates a finger saver, so it's going to be very enjoyable to shoot shot after shot. You're not going to have wear and tear on your fingers. With the bow, your bow or the Muzzy Vice, you're going to need a rest, something that's going to hold that arrow in place as we are shooting some heavy fiberglass systems. We have the AMS rest is a really popular name along with Muzzy if you wanted to stick with the brand. One of them is going to have a roller system, the other one's going to be just a static so your arrow rides on it. There's nothing that we have to really worry about as far as tuning as long as we kind of have it centered up, but we do need to worry about it being durable, and these are two of the most durable rests that you're going to find on the market. Along the lines of getting your arrow back, rather you miss, or if you're reeling in a fish, we really enjoy using the bottle reel systems. Muzzy offers a couple different options, also AMS Pro. They have a couple different options. We're really excited about those. These are bottle reels. You're not going to retrieve the fish. They don't have a drag system, but you can retrieve your arrow and then hand over hand when you're pulling in the fish. And these are going to mount, if you're using your bow or the Muzzy, it's going to be a tap system, much where your sight would go on a standard. That's how we're going to mount these on. Right or left-handed, again, these come in. And also you're going to need a projectile, an arrow. Carp arrows or bow fishing arrows are pretty simplified. We have a fiberglass setup, and then we also have the carbon setups. What we look at from AMS and Muzzy, this first one from Muzzy is our carbon setup. They have a nocturnal lighted nock, and then just our standard carp point. Along the lines with that, a little bit heavier arrow, the fiberglass version from Muzzy and AMS as well. This is a grapple. For your big fish, or the later that we get into warmer weather, your fish can get what we call soft, or especially tournament fishermen are going to use a grapple style rather than a carp point. For your early season or small fish, the carp point will be just fine. And we also offer replacement tips that you can buy. So if you're hitting rocks or the bottom of the lake or anything that's going to booger up that tip, which is the only sharp point on it, you can replace that instantaneously on the lake. Some accessories that you don't really see a lot of times, but we carry them here at Archery Country. For those of you that don't have a light system on your boat, or you're not fishing on a deck platform with a lot of lights, you can still fish at night. Flashlight setup that you can hook right in the stabilizer port. This is actually from New Archery Products NAP. That works really well. It's just an interchangeable battery system, so carry a couple of batteries. That's a flashlight. And something that's a little bit newer to most of our consumers out there is an Aerosaver. And Aerosaver.com, they offer this product. We carry it in all of our shops. This is something when you shoot into the bottom of the lake or into a cattail bed or anywhere where your arrow gets stuck, because we have a prong system or a grapple, sometimes you can't get that out. And the last thing that you want to leave in the lake is an arrow or a bunch of line, and you can't get out of your boat if it's in deep water or cold water. Now you have a product very reasonably priced, and it'll save 3 times using this, so you save all of your arrow prices and you pay for this. It has the option, you just go down the line, you hook onto your arrow, it's going to catch on what we call the keeper system in your slide, and then you can pull it out. It has a leverage point, it's a little bit longer so you don't have to bend over. A very unique product from Aerosaver, and this is going to save your arrows. For more information on that, you can get a hold of one of our professionals on our chat on our website, or you can get a hold of guys at Aerosaver.com and they'll answer your questions. But all in all, it's a simple sport, it's a very addicting sport, and it's a lot of fun. Anybody in the family can do it, day or night. And you can find all of these products in stock at all 3 of our locations, or you can get on the www.archerycountry.com and we'll take care of you there. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you on the next one.